feeling the burn, understanding, my back is on fire. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring a vivid expression you might have heard, my back is on fire. It's a phrase that's as dynamic as it sounds, but what does it really mean? Let's break it down together and discover not just its meaning, but also when and how to use it effectively. Stay tuned to light up your English skills. First things first, when someone says, my back is on fire, they're usually not talking about actual flames. This phrase is a perfect example of figurative language, where words convey meanings beyond their literal sense. Literally, it would mean that one's back is engulfed in flames, which is, of course, a cause for immediate concern and quite unlikely in everyday contexts. Figuratively, however, this expression is used to describe intense back pain or a burning sensation in the back. It can be due to various reasons such as muscle strain, overexertion, or even sitting in one position for too long. The fire part vividly captures the severity and the burning quality of the pain. Understanding when to use, my back is on fire, is crucial for conveying the right message. This phrase is informal and typically used in casual conversations. It's a way for someone to express that they're experiencing significant discomfort or pain in a manner that's both vivid and slightly exaggerated for effect. Here's how you might use it. After a long day of moving heavy boxes, you might tell a friend, I can't do anymore. My back is on fire. Or, during a workout, if you push too hard, you might say to your trainer, my back is on fire. I think I need a break. It's also worth noting that while the phrase is descriptive and colorful, it should be used with consideration of the context and the audience's comfort with figurative language. Exploring phrases like, my back is on fire, opens up the broader topic of figurative language in English. Figurative language enriches communication, allowing speakers to express feelings, thoughts, and experiences in more vivid and impactful ways. Whether it's metaphors, similes, or hyperboles, these expressions add color and depth to our conversations. Understanding and using these phrases can significantly enhance your fluency and ability to express yourself. They also offer insights into the culture and creativity inherent in the English language, making your learning journey both enriching and enjoyable. And there you have it. My back is on fire is more than just a phrase about back pain. It's a window into the expressive and colorful world of English figurative language. We hope this exploration has ignited your interest and helped you understand not just the meaning but the beauty of English expressions. Remember, learning a language is not just about the words but the stories and emotions they convey. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use vibrant expressions like this one to spice up your conversations. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.